morning. Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Can we take a moment to talk about how good I look right now? Just kidding. Today's Thursday. I'm actually starving. This dog is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Hey, can I love you? I love you. It's actually so hot in my house right now. Let's turn that AC down. I'm gonna try to get her in the shot. No? Okay, never mind. So if you guys don't already know, I moved to college in 2 days. Today's Thursday and I move on Saturday. And I haven't started packing anything, like my clothes, my stuff, nothing at all. Yikes. So I'm gonna start packing today. They have no idea yet, but they're gonna miss me a lot and I'm gonna miss them even more. So I'm currently doing my laundry so I can like have clean clothes for when I pack. I'm gonna FaceTime my roommate. I was gonna like introduce you guys to her, but she goes, I wanna wear makeup for my debut on your channel, so another day. My room is a complete mess. This is stuff I don't need to clean, but it's on the floor. And then we have all this, and then this, and this. I'm a mess. I got back from vacation and just started working like the second I got back. Like I didn't have time to like clean or do anything because I was like, I have so many videos I need to film because I have sponsored stuff and sponsored stuff has a due date that needs to be done by, and since I was out of town, I didn't have time to like work on it. It was a whole thing. I'm gonna make an acai bowl because I'm starving right now. Enjoy the time lapse if I decide to make a time lapse. I should probably wash my face. You guys want to know a really awkward story? So my high school that I graduated from, they started school today, and so all my friends that are like seniors now started school, and so I sent them all a text and I was like, have a great first day at school, hope you have an amazing senior year. But I sent it to like all of them, like I copied and pasted it, and I just like didn't think anything of it. I'm like, they'll appreciate it, like I'm being a nice person. They all opened it at the same time, so they saw that I sent them all the same exact text message. And I was like, I was just trying to be nice. And then I didn't know how to word the same sentence like 5 different times. Oh, stop, can you put your head down again? That was really cute what you were just doing. I'm gonna make my acai bowl. I just ate my acai bowl and now I think I'm going to clean my room and then I'm going to start packing. And I really want to do a time lapse, but time lapse make me really nervous because like what if I do something stupid? Like what if I like pick a wedgie or like pick my nose or do something stupid and I don't notice it when I'm editing it, and then I get all these comments that are like, oh my god, she did like that. Just kind of stresses me out a little bit. I feel like I'm being watched the entire time I do time lapses, and my face is burning right now. It's like literally stinging. I don't know what. Ow, it hurt. Yeah, I think I might put a shirt on because I'm wearing a sports bra right now. Clean my room because I feel like it'll be easier to pack and stuff if my room's clean. You're full of confidence and cheap back. So I did those like time lapse because I was FaceTiming my roommate the entire time. We were like on FaceTime for a couple hours and it was so much fun. I'll show you guys what I have done so far. I did a time lapse of some of it, not really the closet stuff. I should have done that, but I didn't. We're going into my closet. From here to here is what I'm planning on bringing to college. I could probably bring a lot more. The closets are a lot bigger. I haven't gone through shoes yet. I need to do that. Maybe I could put shoes in there. I have a ton of stuff in here right now. Yeah, that's what's in there, but I was thinking maybe I could like actually store the stuff that I'm planning on storing in here. And I'm not sure, like the bins, I have these bins. Should I organize them like this one's for cleaning supplies and kitchen stuff, this one's for bathroom and blah blah blah, or should I just like find what fits and then do that? I don't know. These are some of the clothes that I'm bringing. These are like the organizers from IKEA. So I have one thing in here. I'll put more in there. I have socks and then shorts, and then these are pajamas. These are workout leggings. These are shorts. That's like one swimsuit cover up because it just fit in there. This is like softer shorts, like over here, like can't use my hand to point, but like these things are here, like loungier stuff. These are cuter shorts, and then these are like workout sports bras and workout tops. And that's literally all I did. It's kind of easy going through your clothes when you decide that you hate every single thing that you own. I might bring more stuff. I'm just like not super worried about forgetting something because I do live close to my college, so I can literally just drive back really quickly. And what I'm planning on doing is I move in on the 4th, and the 5th to the 7th I go to a little camp, which is like for my college, like with my major, and then I come back on the 7th, and then the 8th and the 9th I come back home because my mom's birthday birthday's the 9th, so I have to like celebrate it with, not have to, I want to celebrate my mom's birthday with her, so I'm coming back the 8th, and I might hang out with my friends that day because it's like the last day that I can. I'll spend the 9th here, and then I can bring any extra stuff that I forgot, so I'm not like super worried about forgetting something. Like my roommate's from another state, so she's like, I don't know what to bring and what not to bring, and I'm just like, I can help you, like don't worry. I have a list of things that I need to pack, but I haven't looked at it yet. Oh, I also did this. This is so not organized, but I have like nail polish and like accessories. I need to do more stuff in there. This is makeup, not organized. There's just every single thing that I needed. Hair stuff, body stuff. This is like hair product. Like I obviously can like condense this and like make it work better, but I was just kind of separating it. And then this is just nothing. I need to go through like my skincare stuff and see what I want to bring. I've been like trying to push this off as much as possible, but I feel like I need to do it now. I might just really work on some video stuff right now and then do it tomorrow, because tomorrow's my last day here before I move. I probably shouldn't do that. I probably shouldn't do everything tomorrow, but you know, I might. The only reason Kendall's helping me pack right now is because she wants to be in the vlog.
The star has arrived.
The star has arrived?
The star.
Oh, ow, ow, ow.
The star has arrived.
You know what this reminds me of? In The Lion King when they go, oh, Topanga. She looks so miserable. Hello. She's trying to eat like Band-Aids. Like what? So what we're doing right now is we're going to she's gonna try to kiss me while I talk. So we're going to separate the boxes, so there's like bathroom stuff, kitchen stuff, bed stuff, decor stuff, you know what I mean? Like we're separating those, and I was thinking that it would save room to like open these things. Obviously not like this, but like certain things, opening them would make the most sense. So that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna time lapse you. Hi. We don't abuse our dog. She just has a really dry nose and she likes to rub it on our carpet, and sometimes it bleeds. We're not abusing her, I promise. She looks so cute. Keegan's just doing bandage stuff. Bandages. Oh, you're tired now? I think they're camera shy, and she's like falling off the bed. It's the next day. Good morning. I'm wearing the same shorts. Don't judge me, okay? So I've gotten not a lot done, actually. I just like ate a ton of food, and now I feel like I have like, it looks like I'm pregnant. Like that's just, yeah. Anyways, here's what I've done so far. This is like the clothes that I'm not hanging up. Don't get these bins from Costco. Don't recommend. They literally don't fit anything. I had to rearrange it like 10 times for like this stuff to fit. It was really hard, and it's all squished and stuff. Nothing fit. This is bathroom stuff. This is something else. I labeled it, but I don't know. Bed and laundry stuff. Oh, I remember what this is. It's like desk and like kitchen stuff. Here's some of my YouTube stuff. I'm kind of scared for this if it's gonna like break. I really don't want it to break. My filming room is just sad right now. It's just getting emptied out. Here's my giveaway prize winner. It's just literally sitting there in my filming room. Sorry to the winner. My dogs are exhausted from helping me because they've just done so much to help. Hi. It's so hot in my house. I also spray painted some picture frames. I'll show you. They're right there. I spray painted them outside, like in my park. We only have turf in my house, so my mom was like, you need to do it at the park because if you stay in the turf, like it's never gonna come off. So I did it at the park, and they actually turned out so bad. Not kidding. Like, yeah, like, can you see my sweat? You can see my sweat. Like, that's not a glow, that's a sweat. I still have a ton more to pack. I'm gonna continue packing, and Zoe's just gonna sit there and not help. You guys don't understand how annoyed I am right now. My bedding, I got it online from Urban Outfitters. It's this one right here. It's like really, really cute, right? Okay, so I got it. It was like, you have to pre-order it, but it'll come by the end of July. Whatever. And then the end of July comes, and they're like, oh, you'll get it by the beginning of August. And I'm like, okay. So it said it was supposed to be here today. And then I go on my phone, look through my emails. It's coming. Like the day they're shipping it out, not even the day it comes to me, is August 17th. My first day of school is August 16th. So I'm literally living in my dorm for like 2-3 weeks without bedding. But now I come on here and it says pre-order August 22nd. So does that mean that it's coming August? What just happened? But it just like, what? I didn't touch anything. But does that mean it's coming August 20? Like what? What? It was supposed to be here like 2 weeks ago. I did do some organization things. I'm just like thinking of all the things. I'm like, what if I miss this? And what if I don't have this? And I'm kind of thinking I might bring my bedroom bedding to college just for like now, because I don't have actual bedding. I'll ask my mom. I'll text her. She's at work actually. Everyone's at work right now. I'm just alone and bored and trying to pack and like stressing. So hello, it's later tonight. I just edited a ton of videos. I pretty much did absolutely nothing productive today. I just like watched Netflix and edited videos and like barely packed at all. That's gonna be like a let's finish this at midnight kind of deal. I'm definitely gonna forget a lot of stuff, but that's okay because I can always come back for it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Get excited for the move-in vlog, and yeah, I'm being weird. It literally looks like I have no eyelashes on this side. Do you see that? Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!